AI agents are changing cybersecurity because they can reason, make decisions, use tools, and take actions without waiting for a human at every step. The danger begins when an autonomous agent is connected to powerful tools such as browsers, code execution, cloud APIs, databases, or internal applications. A compromised agent could potentially turn those legitimate capabilities into an attack path against systems that were never designed to trust an autonomous machine. Imagine an agent receiving a malicious objective and then independently planning the steps required to achieve it. It could begin with reconnaissance, searching public information and identifying exposed services before choosing the next action. The agent could then interact with identity systems, APIs, or applications and use whatever permissions its credentials provide. If those permissions are excessive, the agent may reach sensitive targets and create an impact much faster than a traditional human-operated attack. One major risk is tool abuse, because an AI agent may have access to functions that can directly affect real systems. For example, an attacker could place malicious instructions inside content that an agent reads, attempting to manipulate the agent into ignoring its original objective. This is commonly discussed as prompt injection, where untrusted content attempts to influence the instructions or decisions followed by an AI system. The defense is to treat every external instruction as untrusted, isolate sensitive tools, validate actions, and enforce least privilege outside the model itself. Now imagine an autonomous agent attempting to move through a simplified enterprise environment. The agent sends a request toward the gateway and begins testing which services are reachable. The request reaches a web application firewall, where policy controls determine whether the traffic should continue. A properly configured control can block suspicious activity before the autonomous agent reaches the protected server. The important lesson is that the AI model should never be the only security boundary, because the model can make mistakes or be manipulated. A strong defense starts with multiple independent security layers rather than trusting an AI agent or any single control. Endpoint detection helps identify suspicious behavior, while identity controls restrict what an agent or compromised account can access. Network segmentation and strong API authorization can prevent an agent from freely moving between systems even when one component is compromised. Finally, monitored backups and recovery processes provide resilience if an autonomous attack succeeds in changing or destroying data. The future of cybersecurity may increasingly become an AI versus AI battle, with autonomous attackers probing systems while autonomous defenders detect and contain them. For security engineers, the priority is clear: reduce agent privileges, isolate tools, validate every high-impact action, monitor behavior, and assume that untrusted AI inputs can be manipulated. If you remember only one thing, remember this: an AI agent is not dangerous simply because it is intelligent, but because intelligence combined with excessive permissions can become operational power.